Hello friends, and welcome to the Brief Earth Creates YouTube channel. Today I am demonstrating how to use the pull and slide die set from Kindred stamps to make a pull tab slider card with the Pink Witch from the Journey Home stamp set. For more details on these products, check out my blog link in the description below. First, you want to line the bottom point of the top notch die cut in line with the slot die cut so the pull tab works in a straight line. Next, you'll need to score the lines of the half circles on the slider tab to pull the half circles through the slot. This will help connect your moving image to the pulling mechanism. Just feed the half circles through the slot to pull them through to the front. To keep the half circles on the front side of the card, I will glue the small circles onto the center. Now the half circles can't pull out through the slot. To keep the pull tab aligned with the top notch in the slot, we will use another scored die cut to wrap around the pull tab system. Just add some liquid adhesive to the flap and to the back side of the wrap to attach it to the back side of the card front. Just make sure the wrap is hidden and doesn't poke out the front when you flip the card back over. Once the pull mechanism is positioned at its lowest point, you can trim off the access pull tab to keep it aligned with the top of the card front. The pull and slide die set even comes with a die cut to decorate the pull tab with an arrow and a tab to make the interactive component more obvious for the recipient. To finish the pull tab mechanism, I will attach the moving images, which are the vellum bubble and the Pink Witch, to the pulley system. I used the foam dots to attach the witch to the vellum bubble and the liquid glue to attach the bubble to the pulley system. Now I'm going to flip the card over and add foam tape to the back of the card all around the pull tab system so that the interactive piece can move smoothly. I decided to layer a piece of vellum onto the white card base to coordinate with the pink bubble, and then I peeled off the foam tape and attached the card front to the card base. To finish the card, I used liquid adhesive to attach the sentiment banner that reads, "Have courage and be kind," to the top of the card front. And there you have it, a pull tab slider card featuring the pull and slide die and the Journey Home stamp set from Kindred Stamps. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Come back soon for more creative inspiration.